keeping safe. I trust you're all good. So today I'm going to be trying out a new recipe in my mind. I'm very excited, and I'm going to be doing fried rice using chicken liver, or you can just put it chicken liver fried rice. So let's get started. I'm very excited to try this out. I hope it turns out really good. You guys, don't mind my head scarf. I just tied it. To me, I think it looks really cute. I tried with this one today. So yeah, let's go. So guys, as you can see, these are my ingredients lined up here. This is the rice I'll be using. This is peas. This is chili powder. This is my liver. This is onion, my oyster sauce, and my soy sauce. So yeah, let's get started. So that is oil. I'm adding my onions. Soy sauce. Oyster sauce. guys, as you can see, this is the final product and it's looking very delicious and I can't wait to eat it. Thank you so much guys for watching. God bless you. Until next time, stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe. If you like this video, share with your friends, share with your family. I will appreciate it so very much. Thank you guys. See you next time. So good. This is